So all I'm going to try to do is explain custom commands to you. Go to Sapphire dashboard and then go to commands and click here on custom commands and then you're at custom commands. Just to question this answer that I got in my comments, you can't really make a command that edits someone else's roles with Sapphire. You need a bot like this one, like StartIt. This bot is amazing with automations that include managing other users. But for now, let's go back to Sapphire and let's go to custom commands. So you can't edit someone else's roles with this bot with custom commands. So you go to the command, you go to / command. That's like the last thing you want to do. But let's go to actions first. And I want this to work like this. I want them to be able to run test. This is another bot, and then it should give them the announcements role. So what I'm going to do is actions plus, and then I'm going to click add roles. I'm going to make them add announcements. All I'm going to do then is send message and then send template. I'll show the template on screen right now. It's called updated roles for me. And you go to the gear icon and you make sure it is that template. So now the test command works with the action add role, and it's going to add the announcements role. So let's go to Discord. I'm just going to quickly remove the announcements role from myself, which is down here. So you see, I do not have the announcements role, which is, I have a lot of roles, forgive me. I don't have the announcements role, the preload notifications. I only have random YouTube, Twitch, and giveaways. So now you want to run test. That's the command. You run it, and then it says updated roles for Luke Cake. And it says edit announcements. Again, I'll have the message template on screen right now, but that's basically how it works. So let me edit the actions to like include everything that I can. Send channel message. You click on a random channel. I'm just going to do the same channel that I'm already in. I'm going to make it send the updated rules message again, and I'm going to make it DM me with the exact same message. These ones, it's already doing stuff with my rules. Toggling rules basically means that if it's already added to you, then it removes it, and if it's not there, then it adds it. Save changes, and now the command's automatically updated. If we run test, then it DMs me with that specific message, and it sends it like the response to the command, and it sends it in this channel. And that's everything you can do. If you want more in-depth commands, you can use this bot, StartIt, which is linked down in the description. But anyway, my point is, thank you for watching, and I hope you understand custom commands now. Bye bye.